Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Wizz Air. If you've recently updated your email or need to switch to a different one for your flight bookings, this process will help you get it sorted out. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the Wizz Air official website. Type in www.wizzair.com in the address bar. Once the homepage loads, look up to the top right corner where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it and enter your account credentials to log into your Wizz Air account. This is where you'll manage all your booking details and personal information. After logging in, direct your attention to the top left of the website where you'll find the user icon. Click on it to access your account menu. From there, you'll see a section labeled Your Account. Within this section, locate your profile and click on the Details option. This is where your personal information is stored, including your current email address. Now, here's an important thing to note. When you try to change your email address, you might find that this field is grayed out and not editable online. Wizz Air restricts direct editing of email addresses through the website for security reasons, so you won't be able to make changes here yourself. If you see this, simply close the profile window and head back to the home page. Once you're back on the home page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find a link to the Help Center. Click on it to access Wizz Air's customer support options. On the Help Center page, look for the Contact Us button and click it. This will take you to the Support Contact section. Scroll down through the contact options until you find Speak with an Agent. This is the key step because changing your email address requires direct assistance from Wizz Air's customer service team. Select your country and preferred language from the drop-down menus. The system will then provide you with a landline number to call. Give them a ring and explain to the customer service representative that you need to change the email address associated with your account. They'll verify your identity and process the change for you. And there you have it. Your email address will be updated by the support team, ensuring your future booking confirmations and travel updates go to the right place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.